let's go back over to the physical metal market. So we had, the good old gold contract. It's only up 30 cents, but this is building some cars. So we'll see if this 1223 is game out here today. And folks, if you haven't test drove the Nadex platform yet, this is a great time to do it. There's a banner on the top and the side. You can hit that banner, bring up $25,000 of paper money into your account, and you can get an understanding of how these defined contracts work. During the next break, we'll bring up the actual platform, because I was out here early as normal. Yes.
Were you trading?
I was.
Nice.
Well, particularly,
I had it up. I wasn't trading, but I had it up. I mean, I was even looking at, you know what, as we talk about this, so under breaking news at TFNN, what I wrote for that binaryoptions.nadex,
yes,
it says trading weekly gold binary options.
Oh.
So people can just get a feel for even the weekly binary market. I have a chart in there with the weekly binaries. And, you're looking at even a $30 move to the upside, let's say.
Okay.
So at the time this morning, gold was trading at 1214.50.
Yep.
And, at 1244.50, so literally $30 on the dot. A binary, you could buy that for $9. So you're looking for a $30 move, by the end of Friday, okay, which is 1:30 p.m. Friday in the gold market. And for that, you're able to risk 9 for a max profit of 91. I mean, that's not outlandish in my opinion.
No, you know what? I should have read that earlier. So I'm putting this up, folks, right now, right? I bought the spreads for today, but I'm going to go look at that right now, because I bought in at 12:14 at 6 o'clock this morning.
You're trading volatility to the upside, right? For sure.
Yeah.
So just to look at it on the same way for the 1184.50 on the downside.
Yeah.
And I talk about really the strike prices I just point out are really the ones that are $10 to the up or down. I look at the 1204 and the 1224. Okay. And you're risking like 52 cents for every dollar in profit. You're risking like 1 to make 2, because you're getting in at about 34 to make 65, right? Or on the flip side.
Yes.
But just looking at it same way, $30 to the upside, 1244. You have $30 to the downside, exactly. Same exact thing to 1184.50. And right there, you're able to risk only $875. So almost the exact $9. Risking $875. With a potential max profit of the 91.25 that you'd originally sell it at.
No, I know. I like that trade. I'm going to go look at it in a break. I still like that trade, I think. Here.
Yeah, I mean, that's, you're looking for a big week in gold, and keeping in mind that you only have 4 days, right? But that was as of 8 in the morning, too. So that was 2.5 hours ago where you were looking for some action, and, just keeping in mind that that's part of what that's going to be a slightly different market right now, of course. 2.5 hours.
For sure. And what does happen, though, which is $30 in gold is not a big move after rejection of lower price.
And, I choose to make the point of even $10 for risking 34 to make 65 or close to, those parameters. Same exact way, $10 up, $10 down. You're risking about 34.50, 34.25, give or take, depending if you're bullish, bearish, to make the flip side of it, which is, the 65.50 or so.
Okay.
For $10, which is not bad.
No.
Especially with the move, as and you're going to have a directional bias and be correct, but if you're correct more than you're incorrect, then that could be a profitable trade when you're only risking almost 1 to make 2 or slightly
there. Look at
thereof.
this right now. Yeah, there's no doubt, man. So what happens, folks, is that you could you're buying the offer, of course, is that's 10.25 to get a close at 12.44, and it's 20.50 for 12.34.
12.50. So to put it, it has to be greater than just the exact. But yeah, no, I'm with you, right?
Man, okay, I like it.
So depending on and same thing. Just even so gold has moved, because I'm looking at right on Nadex at the same time you are.
Yeah.
So gold's at 1216.50 right now, right? So it's up about $2 since that chart at 8 in the morning.
Right.
And so now the $30 one to the downside, the 1184.50, you could actually risk 7 as sell at 93. Risking 7 to make 93. That's where your risk reward really starts to. Now, of course, you have a 90-cent commission, right? But still, it's $7.90 commission all in per contract, trading 10 contracts or less for a $32 to the downside.
Yeah.
That's where the demo account, people should download it, get used to how the markets move, and then you can figure out whether it makes any sense, right?
Yeah, totally. You stay right there, folks. Tommy and I are coming right back. You have the Dow Industrials down 35. Nasdaq is up 8. S&Ps are flat. We're going to be right back.